First, kukunin natin yung range. Ang formula ng range, H minus L. H is the highest score, which is 78, minus L is the lowest score, and that is 27. 78 minus 27 equals 51. R, yung range is equals 51, divided by the interval, which is 8. So 51 divided by 8 is equal to 6.375. Next is classes. Para makuha natin yung classes, kukunin natin yung pinakamababang score, and that is 27. Next is kukunin natin yung interval. I-add natin siya sa lowest score pababa. 27 plus 8 is equals to 35. 35 plus 8 equals 43. 43 plus 8 is equals 51. 51 is equals 8 is 59. 67 and 78. So, babawasan natin yung baba ng 27 ng isa. 35 minus 1, it does is 34. And then, same procedure. Gagamitin natin yung interval na 8 pababa. 34 minus, plus 8, it equals 42. 42 plus 8 equals 50. 58. 66. 74. 78. 70 is yung higher sa given. Kaya 78 po. So, magtatali na tayo ng given score according sa classes. And last, itong lahat ng frequency, and that is 40.